Here I have DOOGEE S61 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time like this. And after this kind of menu appears, here you should use volume up to navigate and volume down to select, and select the second option, Fastboot mode. And after that you'll end up in the Fastboot mode, which these small letters are indicating. So if you want to quit this mode, just hold down power key for about 7 or 10 seconds, and after that device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.